Hey everyone, remember the last time I shared my little hacker EDC, Altoids EDC? Some of you asked what it can actually do. So today I'm going to show you. I have here 3 locks and I will be showing you how the items in this kit can open it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one that we're going to be opening is this TSA approved lock. Now, unfortunately, this is one of the more unsafe locks out there because you are using TSA keys for it. And unfortunately, TSA key can be bought online really cheap now. And if you have a 3D printer, you can also print your own. The most common one would be the 007 and the 002. So if you take a look at the lock, as you can see here, this is the SA007. And using this, you can just simply open any lock with it. So that's the practical application of this part of my EDH tool. Okay, so the next one would be the shims. Now, shims works like shielding the hook. So this one has a hook. That's why you cannot open it. And if there is a certain gap like this, good enough gap, you can just hook or you can just shield that hook. That hook has a spring going down here. And when you shield it, it will push here and this will allow you to open this lock. So let's try it out. All you have to do is you can try to just push it down. Okay, so now the hook is shielded. You can just push it down more if you want. But as you can see, now the lock is open because of that hook that we have. And now the last one in the kit is a common lockpick, but it is very thin enough. Thanks to Dream Workshop for this. And it has this. So let's just use this. And let's just use a common pick. I'll just remove it if I can remove it. Okay. So the good thing with the Dream Workshop one is that they are reusable because of the sticky part that it has. So let's try lock picking it. Okay. So we have the turning tool. Let's put it here. And let's try to use this. Let's see how fast I can open it. Okay, as you can see, it's really fast. That is how easy it is to lockpick most of the things that you can find in the market, the off-the-shelf market locks that you have. And those are 3 locks that I have. Those are 3 ways that you can open different types of locks that you can find in my Hacker EDC. Hey, that's it. Now, hope you enjoy seeing these locks being opened one by one by the items in my Hacker EDC. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a like and thank you for watching. Always remember, keep on hacking, my fellow Hakista.